Alright, very easy 2000 Subaru Forester S. As you're going to see this on a lot of Subies. If you haven't seen it already, nothing to be worried about. If for some reason you're deciding you need to change your ignition coil, it's right here, very easy. 4 10mm bolts, 4 wires connected to it. You're not going to get shocked or anything. You're just twisting and pulling. Usually helps to break it loose. Hopefully your metal pieces will not stick on the coil. I guess there's only 3. Real easy, nothing to it. Reverse procedure to install. Just going to put that right back on. Push that on until you should hear it click. Put your bolts back in. Snap your wires back on. That is replacing your coil on your Subaru Forester. Actually, you can see here's the numbers so you know where they are. 1, 2, 3, 4. So on the passenger side in the front is 1, 3 is in the back, passenger side. 2 is in the front, driver's side, and 4 is in the back, driver's side. That's replacing your ignition coil.